It feels like the smart band category has pretty much reached its limit. The Xiaomi Band 10 is basically the ultimate form of a smart band. Alright, let's unbox the Xiaomi Band 10 and see what the ceramic edition looks like. In the previous generation, a common complaint was that the front display didn't have equally narrow bezels on all four sides. This time, they've upgraded it, and now all four sides have equally narrow bezels. Here's the previous generation, the Band 9. Now, for example, let's take a look. I'll use a flashlight. You can see here. Do you notice the black border? The bottom black border is wider, right? The four sides aren't equal, so visually it's still a bit lacking. In terms of features, the Xiaomi Band is already very powerful and there's not much left to upgrade. So the main improvements are in its appearance. For example, the previous generation had a white ceramic, but in this generation there are several more ceramic color options. There are a few other ceramic colors as well. Alright, let's power it on now. Okay, it's powered on now. Let's select Chinese. Okay, we've finished pairing. Let's take a look at how the black borders look. The animation is actually quite smooth. Alright, let's turn on the flashlight. Okay, this is how it looks from the front view. The four sides are basically the same, and it looks much better than the previous generation. On the left is the Band 9, and on the right is the Band 10. The ceramic versions look pretty much the same, and the weight is similar as well. The main difference is in the screen. So, do you all think the one on the right looks a lot better? Alright, so this is basically the biggest upgrade of the Band 10. As for other aspects, it has all kinds of features, like remote camera control, various phone connectivity options, music control, health monitoring, breathing exercises, voice recorder, and so on no problem at all, including carrying bags. And then there's offline payment with WeChat and Alipay. This time, it also seems to have added a multi-device smart connection feature, multi-device interaction function. When I tap into it, it connects to my phone. And here you can see, since I'm at a Xiaomi store right now, we can detect nearby devices like the television here. For example, if we tap in, you can also connect to the television. That's the Band 10. So what do you think about this smart band? I think the Band 10 has basically achieved the ultimate form of a smart band.